This is the mFish E-RHINO 65 watt USB charger. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the manual for it, and here is the charger itself. Let me tell you a little bit about it first, and then of course we'll test it out. This is a GaN, G-A-N, gallium nitride charger. It allows for a smaller size while still producing very high output power. This will produce up to 65 watts, as I had said before. It has a retractable cable. I'm going to show it to you. It's right there. And that pulls out 80 centimeters, approximately 2.5 feet. There's a digital display on here that will show the real-time output of it. And it has foldable outlet pins, or prongs, whatever you want to call them, on that. And really that's it. Just this nice 2-inch square, just like that. You can see the prongs fold away. You have a USB-C port that'll give you 65 watts. USB-A port that'll give you 60 watts. Or the retractable cable goes like that and pulls out. And when you're done, it goes back, and then you kind of just sort of mush it around in there, and eventually it will find its way back into place, just like that. So let's go ahead and test it out. So I have my phone here, and I have just this junky USB to USB-C cable here. Phone, of course, is USB-C. And here's something interesting. It really does depend on the type of cable that you have. We'll plug that in. 6 watts. It's gonna be a while. We'll switch that. Get the built-in cable. Plug that in. $11 So just by using this built-in cable, because this one is not great, that phone is going to charge twice as fast. It's getting twice the wattage into it. If I wanted to charge something else, I can, just by plugging this in. And I would need another device to plug in. It's only going to charge at what this cable is going to allow. But the charger can output up to 65 watts, depending on your devices and what they need. A phone doesn't take that much, you know, to charge like that. But it's really nice that it does have the onboard meter right there. Here's a Chromebook. We'll plug that in. USB-C, just the same like that. Now the battery on here is not terribly low. It's at 97%. Now if you know anything about battery charging, when the battery is near full, it's not going to pull anywhere near the wattage, but it's still pulling 15. It's at 20 before, 19, so it'll get little peaks here and there, but this will definitely charge it no problem like that, which is a really nice thing, because to be able to take a nice 2-inch square like this on vacation or when you travel and just pack that in a suitcase, and when you're done it goes ahead and goes back together here. If I can just get it seated, there we are. That's really handy to be able to take to travel, and remember, the prongs fold in as well. So all around a really nice charger from mFish. Right now, when you purchase this, you will also get an additional cable with it. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description to the manufacturer's website where you can find the item available for sale. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.